Ow. Okay, that hurt. Do you know real estate professionals call these booby lights? Can you believe it? I have no idea why. I've been a licensed contractor and a certified home inspector for 24 years now. I've been in thousands of homes, and these are dated. They will cost you value in your home. It's time to upgrade to LED. These modern LED light fixtures are thin, easy to install. You'll be surprised at how easy they are to swap these out. You don't need to hire an electrician. These are designed for the average do-it-yourselfer. A nice benefit of switching to LED is you'll never replace a light bulb again. The LED light fixtures have the light integrated into the panel, no service required. So typically, if it's a round fixture like this, it doesn't matter on the size, you're going to have 2 screws to loosen up, break it free from the ceiling. And once you loosen those, the fixture will actually just twist right off. And look at that, it drops right down. We do have the power off, and you're just going to have most commonly 3 electrical nuts, the hot, the neutral, and the ground. So simply remove those by twisting them right off. Okay, you can dispose of your old light fixture. You'll never need that ugly thing again. The new LED light panels are actually color changing. You can pick a cool light color or a more warm sun mimicking daylight color. It's your preference, and you set that before you install the light fixture. Everything you need to install the new light fixture is included, including the electrical caps and the mounting plate screws. We're just going to back out the old one and throw the mounting plate away. Probably could reuse it, but we'll go with new. Okay. The mounting plate is labeled this side facing down. Ow! Okay, that hurt. Okay, next you're going to take out your integrated new light panel. I'll have all the links in the video description down below for everything we used in this video. Of course, you're going to match black to black, white to white, and green always signifies the ground safety wire. Now, all the light fixtures I've ever seen come with these electrical caps. You can use them the traditional. Some homeowners or first timers don't like them because you have to get the wires just right. And especially here in this application where you're going from braided to solid, you have to be careful that you get a good tight connection. I'm going to show you an easier way. Have you seen these yet? These Wago lever lock electrical caps are super easy. You simply open the levers up, and when you put a wire in there and close it down, it clamps it on tight and secure, and you can go between the solid and the braided wire no problem at all. So that will make installing light fixtures on your own easier without a helper. You don't need somebody to hold the fixture while trying to tighten the nuts and everything's falling on you. These are super easy. So I got 3 ready to go. We'll start with the ground. Wago wire connectors used to be hard to find. I do have them in the video link description. Now they're becoming easier to find. I know if you have them in Menards in your town, they're actually carried in Menards here. One side on first. So that's clamped on first, and then we'll come straight in with the green connector. Okay, no hands. Look, Mom, no hands. So with just the first connector on, it holds its own weight. Typically, you can't do that if you're using traditional screw-on wire connectors because you just won't have enough hands. On your Wago wire connectors, it won't matter if you have a 2, 3, or 5 configuration. You can use any one. We'll go to the neutral next, snapping the white connection onto the white connection all the way in. And they make them clear on purpose so you can see that you've gone all the way to the back and the wire is securely connected. I've not seen a failure with these yet. I know with the traditional screw-on wire nuts, sometimes, especially light fixtures, which is the most common household do-it-yourself project a homeowner may do, the wire nut will push the braided wire down and you won't have a tight connection. They're all on snugly. At this point, before you screw it in, you could test it. You could turn on the power. There you go. If you were going to change your light tone, this is where you change it. We have this particular fixture has a motion sensor, and you have how sensitive you want the motion sensor to be within 0 to 5 foot, 5 to 10 foot, or 10 to 15 foot. We're going to keep that off because this is a switched light. We just want it to operate by the switch. And then your color selector, and it shows you on the box and the instructions if you want a warm yellow color or a more cool, bright bluish color. We'll go right in the middle at 4,000 kelvins. And now you're just going to, easier than ever, the manufacturers have totally designed this for the do-it-yourselfer. You do not need to hire an electrician whatsoever. We're going to fold all that back in the box, and this should just be a snap-in system. Up and twist. Look at that. Definitely don't hire an electrician for this one. This one is super easy. I know you can do it yourself. See you next week.